Today's recipe is zucchini pizza bites, a very simple recipe that you can use some of these bigger zucchinis for. We're starting with 3 zucchinis that we've peeled and sliced into a little bit thicker slices. And then we're going to put those on a sheet pan that's covered in parchment paper. These are going to go into a preheated oven at 375, and they're going to bake for about 20 minutes until they're nice and soft and tender. We're also going to put a little spritz of olive oil on there just to kind of help them crisp up a little bit more like a pizza crust. After 20 minutes we have a little bit of browning and these are nice and fork tender. Next we have some fresh basil and fresh flat leaf Italian parsley from the garden, and we're going to chop that up.